July 1806, we set sail from the street cove of Cork. We were sailing away with the cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was rigged fore and aft, and know how the wild wind over. She stood several blasts, she had 27 masts, and they called her the Irish Rover.
We had 1 million bags of the best layer rights, we had 2 million barrels of corn. We had 3 million bales of our nanny goat's tails, we had 4 million barrels of stone. We had 5 million dogs, 6 million herds, 7 million barrels of ports. We had 8 million hides of our blind horses' hides, and all of the Irish Rover.
There was old Mickey Cute, who played hard on his flute when the ladies lined up for a set. He would tootle with skill for each sparkling quadrille, till the dancers were fluted and bent. With his smart, witty talk, he was cock on the walk, and he rolled the Dame under and over. They all knew at a glance when he took up his stance, and he sailed in the Irish Rover.
From the banks of the Lee, there was Hogan from County Tyrone. There was Johnny McGurk, who was scared stiff of work, and a man from Westmead come along. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rogue, and fighting that shicey from Dover. And you ran like McCann from the banks of the Bank, the skipper and the Irish Rover.
For a sailor, it's always a bother in life. It's so lonesome by night and by day. Then he longs for the shore and a pretty young whore who will melt all his troubles away. All the noise and the rout, swilling, punching and stout, for him soon is done and over. Of the love of a maid, he is never afraid, and no son from the Irish Rover. We have sailed 7 years when the maids was broke out, and his ship lost its way in the fog. And the whale crew was reduced down to 2, with the skipper and the captain's on board. Then the ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock. So it turned right over. 39 times around, then the poor old dog was drowned. To the Irish Rover.
Irishman. Leathered, weathered Irish skin. Beard orange as the sunset of the flag. In the night sky we fly it in. Pride for the life we fight to live. History I write with it. Spit it with the dialect. And this is a celebration, of course. The green, white, orange. And when they pulled up on that shore, first generation born toasted those that made it on a boat to New York. And when the English came, the colonizer came. They filled up bottles of gasoline, turned them into balls of flames, and hurled them to protect what's ours. Don't touch these lucky charms. A bunch of Irish screaming, fuck the London Guard. I'm kidding, not just in London is bloody raw, but go against the Irish and get a bloody jaw. Preach non-violence, but remind us of the scars. Unify us, put a pine up, everybody sing a song. We put our glass to the sky and lift up and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. So raise a pint for the people that aren't with us and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. We put our glass to the sky and lift up and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. So raise a pint for the people that aren't with us and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. From New England to New Brunswick, Galway to Dublin, a rebellious nation of freckle-faced hustlers, heart, blue-collared workers and family, my heritage, proud to be a Haggerty. Now, with whiskey in our veins, claiming we're the bravest men. I drank Old Crow, but pretended it was Jameson. Dad sipped Guinness, I sipped Old English, till he sat me down at 16 and said, boy, this is what a beer is. I put down the drink, I couldn't drink like a gentleman. That doesn't mean I can't make a drinking song for the rest of them. Challenge us in football, yeah, we might lose, but don't put us next to a bar stool. We take the history, scripted in song, like the torch, then you pass it on. That's right, I said lineage through the rhythm. We script it from the palm and we give it till Ireland is on. Bottoms on. We put our glass to the sky and lift up and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. So raise a pint for the people that aren't with us and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. We put our glass to the sky and lift up and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. So raise a pint for the people that aren't with us and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya. Let's go. Tonight, we're celebrating life. Those are all my Irish goons in the background. Put them up. Snow, snow, all the way from Ireland to the States, from Dublin to Boston, Grafton to Seattle, my whole Haggerty family. This one's for you. Let's go. And all my people say, all over the world, even if you're not Irish, put your glasses up. Brian Lewis and all my people say, that's Ireland. It's beautiful, isn't it? Irish celebration. My people say verses. We put our glass to the sky and lift up and live tonight, cause you can't take it with ya.
That's it for this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching us create this makeup look all together. The Queen of St. Patrick's Day. I hope that you guys have a safe and wonderful holiday. And as always, if you guys want to see more of my makeup stuff, hit the subscribe button. If not, no big deal. And I hope that you guys love yourself as much with the makeup off as you do with the makeup on. I love you, and I hope that you love you too. God bless everyone, and until next week.